Hi guys, how's going? As you can see in the back, that's Mork, but you can call it Morkenstein. That's his new name after all these works that we did. So officially today it's our first day as full-timers. Well, we had the first one, it was the 24th of August 2012, and this is the second one, I would say. We spent the last year in an apartment rebuilding engine and the conversion to a synchro plus 6 gears, ABS, and you name it. Plus all the interior with the high top and bed on top, a new kitchen, new battery, lithium batteries. I mean, we really try to explore and make it happen what we always thought it was a good van, and we just shape it around our needs, our type of travel. So 1 year was a long time to spend in just one place, and today we're back, and we start the day with a lot of worries, a lot of doubts, because yesterday we gave the keys of the house to the owner, and we kind of run out of time, and we have like 9 or 10 big supermarket bags full of different things, from camera parts or clothes or I don't know, you name it, and we just put everything in the van. There was no space inside at all, and we were worried because already part of our stuff was in the van, in the cabinets. And this morning we said, well, we will never put these things inside the van. And the doubt is like, maybe it was better to buy a new one and bigger. But thank God we managed this morning to just have a nice coffee and just put all the bags just in front of us, sit on the chair, and one by one just take out everything and just choose things that will stay and choose that can be gifted to somebody else or they can just thrown away. So for example, this morning there was a group of kids and I still got my juggling stuff, some fireballs, the Diablo, and some other stuff, and it's not something I used, but I carried around the last 6 years and it will make some kids happy. And the same thing happened with my fishing box. So I just throw some stuff and I put what I really need in a small box, and I'm fine with that. And I gave away the box to somebody else that will enjoy it and will go fishing. So, I mean, we went through this process already in the last week. This one was kind of more in details, and as we really need to put all that stuff inside, we successfully did it. We did it. It was kind of, we even were shocked at the end, like, oh my God. I mean, you can see a picture now of this morning, how we start, and I don't know, we were seriously overwhelmed by all the shit that we have. But we manage, and it's something I really like to share with Mel. I mean, these life that we can just go straight and just, if we want something, we will find the solution to do it. And we did find the solution, and all the doubts we have this morning, like, oh my God, did we just spend money for nothing for a van that maybe we can buy a bigger one or whatever? They just go away and makes us happy because yes, we did the right choice. We did the right choice to invest time on our beloved Mork and make it like a super van. I mean, geez, it's just beautiful now, and I'm happy because we really organize everything. I'm really bad usually about it, but in the last year living in a house, I start this process to organize better my things because I'm tired to lose things in 8 square meters. So now everything has a place, and every time I will use something, I will take it out, I will use it, I will put it back. I promise. So we're so happy still, in the process. I think will take sometimes just to going back, knowing that we don't have a home, well, a house where to go back tonight. I mean, it's here. We have all we need. We already had a nice lunch today on the new kitchen, and we're slowly trying with the new stuff, the new layout we create. I will do a video about it, but not now. I will need some time first to finish some details and then just to relax. And when I will be relaxed, I will be more than happy to show you what we did to our van. I don't know, I just start to feel ready for new adventure. There's several periods during this year, but we felt really down because of being static, and it's not great. And now slowly I think that the good energy, the good vibes will come back. And I think these lifestyles makes us happy in a way, give us that freedom. I always carefully about using that words because we're not free, but probably more than somebody else. And anyway, we like it. It was intense the last week, finished the van and try to organize everything with the needs of going and just be in our home. And yes, we did it. And we did it well. So thank you for watching. Hopefully next video will be about the van. I will tell you everything you need to know about engine, about the layouts and whatever we use. I think for the next months probably we're still going to be in the Alps, just to try out everything about the van, all the new system, the lithium battery, the shower inside, a hot shower, and there's the word inside there. And then we're going to be ready to travel. I still don't know where, but we're going to find out soon maybe. So again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.